This is Scott from KIG. It is Tuesday, September 10th. This is another one of our 5-ton Koolant Koolers air-cooled chillers. I'm going to come over here and first turn the power on. Power comes up on the screen. I'm going to press the on button, and we're going to press the pump to start the fluid flowing through. This unit here for customer Indiana, going to Indiana I believe. This one's serial number 28970, again 28970. We have the water for the glycol mix in the tank here up to about 20, almost up to about 22 centigrade, right around that 70 degrees Fahrenheit range. And we have the set point of the chiller. Go up and down. The lowest you can go is 5 degrees centigrade, and that's what we're going to set it at. To start the chiller next, you press the compressor button, COMP, and you'll see that little time delay came on. There'll be about a 90-second time delay before the fan and the compressor start. So again, this is a 5-ton chiller. Actually, it's a 6-horsepower compressor, but the original manufacturer called it a 5-ton chiller. So I guess effectively you could call it 6 tons. It uses the newer R407C refrigerant, about 9 pounds for the ID tag. It's got a temperature process range 25C to down to 5C. There's our insulated reservoir tank with the fill. It's hard to see it there, but that's a level indicator. If the fluid in the tank goes too low, everything will shut off. That's in addition to the sight glass we have here for tank flow also. And we also have a pump pressure gauge here on the side. Right now running about just above 30 psi. This unit had all brand new controls installed, including a brand new pressure switch with stainless steel braided refrigerant lines for the high-low pressure. And here we have our contactors and our overloads for the compressor, the fan, and the pump, all adjusted here at the factory. And those settings are all referenced in the quick startup guide that we include with it. Here's a safety breaker. That's just for the 220-volt single-phase power going back to the controller. And you can hear just then the fan and the compressor turned on. That was not just the fan. The compressor is running right now too. This here is a single-phase transformer which takes one leg of the 460 volt and steps it down to 220 single-phase to give you the controller power. One nice thing about the controller, we have different error codes here. It also has, in addition to overload compressor, overload pump, fan, pressure too high and pressure too low, it also has phase detection. So the fan, compressor, and pump have all rotation synchronized here at the factory, but if you connect the wrong phase, it won't let you start, and it simply gives you an error warning, and you just swap any of the two leads. So right now you can still see it starting to chill. We'll come back with video number 2 in a minute or two as we get down to our set point of 5 degrees Celsius.